Over in Whitesboro, Texas today, a suburb that's just outside of Sherman, Texas, and about an hour north of Dallas. And if you're home shopping in the North Texas area and you don't want to pay the premium prices, much like you're seeing in Frisco, McKinney, Prosper, or Salina, Whitesboro's offering you amazing homes at really low prices right now. Well, speaking of, today I'm taking you through my newest listing in Whitesboro, Texas that is priced to sell and ready for its next homeowner. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Mike Harrison, a local realtor here in North Texas, and I've helped many clients buy and sell all over North Texas. If you want to know what it's like to work, live, and play in the Dallas Metroplex, go ahead and hit subscribe, support the channel, and stay tuned for videos every Sunday and Thursday. To kick us off, let's go and dive into a quick overview of Whitesboro. Whitesboro is located in Grayson County and has a population of around 4,500 people. It's located along Highway 82 and is approximately 20 miles away from Sherman, Texas. It has a total area of 3.3 square miles and is located approximately 15 minutes away from Lake Texoma access, 68 miles away from the American Airlines Center for Dallas Mavericks and Dallas Stars games, 81 miles away from AT&T Stadium for Globe Life Field for Dallas Cowboys and Texas Ranger games, as well as some of the biggest concerts every year, and is 81 miles away from Six Flags and Hurricane Harbor water parks. If you need to travel internationally, you're only 68 miles away from DFW International Airport. And in 2023, there were 128 homes sold in Whitesboro with a low of $55,000 and a high of $7,451,580 with a median sales price of $292,250, according to the raw data in the MLS. Full disclosure, the home that sold over $7 million, along with the 12 other homes that sold for over $700,000, had a large amount of land associated with it, as there are many ranches in the area. As far as Whitesboro schools, Whitesboro Independent School District has received a B+ overall grade from niche.com and is ranked the 4th best school district in Grayson County. It scored a B+ in academics, an A for teachers, a B+ for clubs and activities, a B+ for diversity, a B- for college prep, and a B for administration. Whitesboro has a student-to-teacher ratio of 16:1, with 1,720 students in from pre-K to 12th grade. Now we've done a quick overview of Whitesboro, let's go and check out this fully renovated and incredibly charming home. This home is located in a community that is less than a mile from downtown Whitesboro. Downtown offers several boutique stores and restaurants, including Food and Dreams LLC, Beggars, Lovejoy's on Main, House of Brews Coffee Shop, and several others. The sellers have done an incredible job flipping this historic 1950s home. You'll see new flooring, a brand new roof, new interior paint, new light fixtures, and they've ensured the pool in the backyard is fully functional, and you'll notice it has ample storage space with an RV carport, a large shop, 2-car garage, and a separate storage shed for your lawn equipment. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, upgrading ceiling fans, and a sunroom that could also be used as a 4th bedroom, as it does have a closet and approximately 1,750 square feet of living space. Make sure you stay until after the home tour, as we'll be breaking down the hypothetical monthly payment on this home. Let's go ahead and have a look inside. All right, so the sellers have done an incredible job renovating this charming historic 1950s home. Let's go and have a look inside. As we come inside, you're going to notice brand new flooring, a new paint job, a fresh coat of paint, and upgraded lighting fixtures. And if you haven't noticed, this is a very spacious living area. As we head into the kitchen, I promise you, you're gonna love the upgraded kitchen here. You're gonna notice quartz countertops, a white backsplash, and white cabinets overlooking your backyard. Even at the time of filming this video, I can hear the wind blow through the trees as we speak. It's very peaceful in here. And then coming into our formal dining area, you're also gonna transition over here into your sunroom or your home office. The formal dining area is gonna transition into our master bedroom. Our master bedroom is gonna offer plenty of space for a king-size mattress and additional seating. And then our 1950s home has a walk-in closet. Our hallway is going to lead into our full guest bathroom and your 2nd bedroom. And then wait until we see the backyard. Coming to the backyard, we're going to have a huge back patio, plenty of space for hosting your friends and family out here. And then you'll notice an in-ground pool that's fenced in for all your summer barbecues and get-togethers. And that leads us to our 2-car garage, an RV carport, an outbuilding for all your lawn care tools, and a huge shop in the very back of the property. All right, guys, so with a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, over 1,750 square feet of living space, over a half-acre lot, plenty of outdoor amenities, a brand new roof, a fully repaired foundation, and this home is coming in at just under $315,000. Let's head back to my backyard and we'll check out the monthly payment. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that house tour. Let's take a quick look at the hypothetical monthly payment on this home. And guys, you've heard me say this plenty of times before. I am not a lender. I'm just using some basic math with the online calculators. and the current interest rates. At the time of making this video, rates are hovering around 6.6%. If you were to make a conventional offer at asking price, putting 5% down, that's a $15,750 down payment on a 30-year fixed rate at 6.6%. This brings our principal and interest payments to $1,955 a month. There was around a 2% tax rate in 2023, so let's estimate about $74.75 in annual taxes, bringing us to an estimate of $525 a month. Again, this could be lower or higher depending on the tax value for 2024. Let's ballpark premium homeowners insurance at $246 a month. Another variable that could go up or down depending on your insurance agent. And since we aren't putting 20% down, let's ballpark mortgage insurance at $218 a month as well. We're looking at a monthly payment estimate of around $29.44 a month. If you went ahead and put 20% down, that would be a $63,000 down payment, and it brings your principal and interest down to $1,646 and knocks off your mortgage insurance. So that makes your monthly payment only $24.17 a month. And again, these are just ballpark estimates. I am not a certified loan officer. I just sell the houses. So guys, this is going to close out on our latest house tour in Whitesboro, Texas. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Do me a favor, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you ever have any questions about this home, would like a tour in person, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact info is pinned in the top comment below. And last, if you want to see what another great North Texas suburb is like, you can go ahead and check out this video by clicking here.